Hi everybody, it's Julie Davison from juliedavison.com. I am late with my live video because I'm having issues. Can't get my camera to turn so that it's horizontal, not my camera but the screen. So I didn't really want to be this way. I was trying to be this way so that you could see more, and I will work on trying to figure it out so that next time when I do the live at 7 o'clock, it'll be hopefully the right way. But anyway, thank you guys so much for joining me today. We're having lots of fun over in the virtual launch party for the new catalog. So if you haven't already checked out that event, make sure to pop over there because we've got some fun games and I'm sharing links and projects all day and some giveaways and prizes too. So today is the day. The new Stampin' Up! Catalog is starting today. If you've tried to place an order, you've noticed it's not open yet. The online ordering doesn't start until noon Mountain Time, which is 1 p.m. Central Time and 2 p.m. Eastern Time. So if you are chomping at the bit to place your order like I am, hang on just a little bit longer. Really, now it's only like a half an hour, so that's awesome. But I wanted to show you some of the new products today, and I'm focusing on the new in colors. So we have in colors that come every 2 years, right? So they come for a year, they stay for 2 years, and then they go away. So this is the new in colors. These are the in colors last year, and these will retire, and the other ones will stick around. We'll get new ones. So it's just sort of a constant rotating thing. Oh, I forgot to say hi, everybody. Leave a comment and let me know if you can see everything okay. Anyway, so the new in colors this year are Lovely Lipstick, Grapefruit Grove, Pineapple Punch, So Bright, Call Me Clover, and Blueberry Bushel. So we have sort of like a rainbow color going on here, and I would love to know which color is your favorite in color, because I have an extra ink pad to give away of my favorite ink color or in color, which is Grapefruit Grove. So leave a comment on this video and tell me what your favorite in color is, and I will pick one person at the end of the day to receive the extra Grapefruit Grove ink pad, and I'll send that to you in the mail for free. What is in the upper right hand corner on the ring clip? Yes! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. So I shared the link to this in the event, and I also put it on the page. I shared the link there. But Stampin' Up! Created this awesome color coach. It's a PDF file that you can print. My mom printed for me, and she even laminated it. Oh my gosh, she's so awesome. There are 6 cards on each page, so I just cut them apart and punched a hole and added the ring. But each card has a color, so this is Lovely Lipstick, and it gives color combinations using that color. So if you ever feel stuck putting colors together, you're going to love this color coach. So watch for the PDF. You can download it and print it at home and either cut it apart and put it like on a ring like I did, or just have the pages and staple them together and keep them handy for stamping. But every single one of our 50 colors is in here. We have all the new in colors here at the top. So again, if you were trying to figure out the colors, Lovely Lipstick, Grapefruit Grove, Pineapple Punch, Call Me Clover, and Blueberry Bushel are the new in colors. And then we've got the old in colors: Powder Pink, Berry Burst, Lemon Lime Twist, Tranquil Tide, Fresh Fig. Then we go into the brights and the subtles and the regals and the neutrals. So this is going to be such an awesome tool. Okay, so I already posted the link for this, so look for that below this video on my business page, and also if you are over in the launch party event, you can look for the link there because I shared it as well. So this was a free document that Stampin' Up! Created and made available to download. So I've shared the link, look for it up there, and leave a comment with your favorite in colors so I can draw for a free ink pad. Yeah, so on the catalog, so this is page 183 if you have your catalog, we have all the individual colors here, so you can get the individual ink pad, re-inker, cardstock. It comes with 24 sheets, and then we have this gorgeous new 1/8 inch grosgrain ribbon. So that's available in all of the new in colors, and those item numbers are here.